Quick tip on how to keep your studs straight. Before you put them in, especially on the floors, put a nail on one end, nail in the other end, and run a line down it like this. And then put your studs on the centre of it. So one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, all the way down. And your studs will be absolutely beautifully straight. Well, if you've been following the video this far and if you've been counting how many nails I've been putting in, you may have noticed I've been putting 2 in at one end and 1 at the other. And there's a good reason for that, is the nail gun won't fit on the inside. So I've got to go underneath and put the last nail in each stud. Well, on this side anyway. You may have been wondering, what's the point of putting studs in this? It's got 5cm boards on there, all nailed on. They're not going to go anywhere, are they? What's the point of the studs? Well, the point of the studs is simple. If you don't put studs in walls and in decking or whatever, what happens is the tops are all nailed up fine. They're not going to go anywhere. But underneath, these can twist. And so this basically keeps your studs from twisting, keeps them in line. That's all it's about. And it also, I can't show you, but if you stand on here, before the studs are in, there's a little bit of, I don't know, you can just feel that there's no studs in there. And when you've got studs in, it's a lot more secure. There's no movement in there. It just locks it all in place. It's something you must have in your floors. But minimum. You know, there's no point in putting one every bloody metre. You know, you've got to sort of eke it out a little bit. On this size here, I would tend to put 2 lots in. One around about here and one around about there. So if I can show you this or not, but the sun's right in my eyes. But you can see that board that I've got laying there, ready to cut. You can see how it's twisted and warped at the same time. So it's like in 1, 2, 3 different directions. But we can cure that, and I'll show you how I do it. Hi, so today is our last day here before we have to return to St. Petersburg. So all I've done is closed up any timber that's laying. All the pieces that are cut are going on into the pile, and last look at what I've done before we go back. So this is the flooring. As you can see, I haven't put in the studs yet. That'll when I come back. But yeah, so far so good. 10 days, managed to get the Biaska done and part of the floor done, part of the top of the contour done, and part of this deck is done. So not bad really. So that's the end of this bit of the season. Back to St. Petersburg. we'll continue on with this project in about a month and a half, 2 months, something like that. I'll see you then.